Adoknis ko tong sa kamar kisang mana unani ko takang na. Thank you so much, sir, for making the 49th celebrations even more grander with your presence.
Wangala.
Nani ko takanginga 1 lakh kulgrupuani cheko Meghalaya tourism ni gata daw unangyan ko dakinga daw ya ko anting ni 100 Drums Wangala Festival ni committee ni chairman aro secretary daw anting ni Honorable Chief Minister Sir ni Jakoni ko anginga haijan ma.
After the harvest, there's threshing and drying of the paddy. What a joyful occasion it must be for the planters, for the farmers, for the agriculture. This is Mishwa, roughly by the Ajema bird to the archers. And the archers till today honor the teaching by the bird. And then they always dance this particular dance item. I think this dance item is one of the ways in which
India tourism, India, incredible India, Meghalaya tourism, government of Meghalaya, lak kongretuponga thangkarangko audience na naksakalaha, unbaksana Arts and Culture Department.
Is 50 years of the Wangala festival, and therefore it's a very important occasion. So to ensure that it goes in a very smooth manner and an organized manner, I am proposing that we should have a state level organizing committee where all stakeholders, including the Wangala committee, the public and society and the government at large, should be a part of this, and we are able to share the responsibilities, because this is not just a Wangala event in terms of the Wangala committee, it is also a state event for us. And we would like to showcase the culture of the people of the state, not just Garo culture but maybe other cultures also, and invite dignitaries from all over the world to be part of this program. And this would be an occasion for us to be able to really promote the different cultures of our state, especially the Garo culture and the Wangala festival. And I think this would be a great opportunity, so we'd like to do it well. And I hope that this committee that we form, which will be very, very broad and incorporate all different sections of society, will be able to do justice to this festival.